Good afternoon. The Bernalillo County District Court seeing a rise in pre-trial hearings such as the one last week involving Justin Hansen. He is charged with the attempted murder of Brittany Marcel. You've been seeing a lot more of these hearings since a new law went into effect involving how defendants are held for trial. That has resulted in an increase in judges ordering defendants released on ankle monitors. News 13's Ryan Martin is live outside District Court with how the court is adjusting. Ryan?
Jessica, Bernalillo County Head District Court Judge Nan Nash wants to make it clear that everyone assigned an ankle monitor currently has one, and while they did run out last week, they expected some growing pains with the new set of rules. Judge Nan Nash seeing some changes since the new pretrial rules became law.
With the adoption of the Arnold PSA and the new pretrial rules, we have more people who are being assigned to pretrial services than in the past.
And as more defendants head to pretrial, so do the amount of judges assigning GPS monitors. And a brief period where the court didn't have enough monitors, but Judge Nash says it was quickly resolved.
We knew there was going to be an increase in pretrial. That doesn't mean there's not growing pains associated with that.
We asked the judge if the new rules have gotten in the way of judges making common sense decisions. She says no.
What we've been working on for the past 3.5, 4 years is on tools that provide judges useful, data-driven information.
She adds that the new guidelines give judges more information in making constitutional decisions about whether to hold or release a defendant.
We also have a system whereby folks are just not held simply because they are accused of a crime.
Adding that many of the new challenges the courts had to adjust to were expected, and some judges might struggle with new guidelines.
Whenever a system changes, the folks who have been operating within that system have some anxiety.
Judge Nash says there's no set date for meeting with the county to talk about how many more ankle monitors they'll need or how much they will cost. Jessica?
All right, thank you, Ryan. The judge does recognize the outrage by a lot of the public over some high-profile cases where the defendants have been released. Coming up at 5:30, she addresses the decisions and what she says the public needs to understand. The charges against a woman accused of